Hey there and welcome back. Today I wanted to try something with the ESP826601, but everyone in this world claims something different. There's like connect that pin, connect. Oh, it's annoying. If there's just someone that could. Oh, thank goodness. What shall I do? Hey, what? What? You want an apple? I thought you preferred chocolate. Ah, I see. But sorry, I'm too stupid to understand. Hey, what? Wait, why a falling apple? Oh, you mean experiment myself? Ah. Well, then let's start with the pin out. So that's the trunk, and that's the main in and out. There's where the juice from the tree comes from. What is it? Oh, you mean experiment with the ESP01? Oh, I see. Now I got it. So let's start with the main juice. The VCC needs to be connected to the 3V 3 and the ground to the ground. And then when we power on, a red light appears, which is perfect because we just started the war. Now let's upload a blink sketch. But, well, there's no USB connection, so what do? This thing actually I bought way earlier, and now I realize that it's just an UART bridge, which is stupid. It's like inventing a wall where you can just listen to a person but not talk to. Now we're stuck to ask Logo, and he said I need to connect ground and GPIO 0. Luckily that worked. Power on, and of course there's no light. So we can go over the pins again, and there's a chip enable, which seems a good place to start. So use the resistance to pull that port high. And of course still no lights. So shamefully we have to face Logo and declare defeat. But, he says, try out blink on all 4 pins. Said and done, and it works. For me, pin 1. But of course there's a but with the ESP01. The reset pin, when you touch it, you can actually reset the board, which you don't want, so you have to pull high that pin as well. Another problem is that the ESP01 gets hot really quickly. Apparently, a solution to that is to put it into deep sleep, so that the ESP can dream well over all the ones and zeros. But oh no, not again. The deep sleep script does not work. After some discussion with the module itself, it turns out pin 15 is not connected. Who is responsible to deny my ESP01 its beauty sleep? Well, there's no way around it, so we have to settle with switching off the Wi-Fi. Now we can bring in the pub subclient, which I presented in another video, and connect the test light, and everything works. Wow. And the delay here is because of the 10 seconds we turn the Wi-Fi off. But, of course, we are not done yet. Using 2 relay boards, the whole contraption doesn't work anymore. Oh. We know though that GPIO 0 needs to be on ground for programming, so if you use GPIO 0, you have to pull it up. But I didn't use the pin. I used GPIO 2, and for some reason that only the ESP01 can see, you have to pull that high as well. So let's grab another resistance, and it works, thank God. But, yes, you guessed it now, I think. The relays are unstable and click like hell every time, and this time, only this time, the ESP01 is not responsible. Yes, I know, ladies and gentlemen. Huge round of applause for the ESP01. After some tests with condensators and magic, still no luck, in the deepest nets of the dark web I found the solution. The resistance of the cables are too high. So, throwing everything we learned into a circuit, it works, and the resistance is 0. That is why we know that we won the battle. So conclusion time then. Despite the ESP01 being many buts, with experimenting we got to the solution. Generally, we have to try out things, we have to experiment, and we will fail, but then we can do something else, try another experiment. And we also have to be patient and calm in order for the experiment to take effect. Speaking of experiments, here is a 3-second timer. I bet you can't subscribe that fast. Yeah, I know that was a smooth transition. Okay, so now you're not allowed to touch the display until I say go. Go! Now if you did it in time, then please comment so, and if not, what hindered you, and in general constructive critique is appreciated. And I guess, adapted to the situation, stay strong, stay home, stay safe, stay curious, and bye.